Hey guys, it's Max. How's everybody doing? All right, it's time we need to check out these earnings trades from yesterday. I've been giving out some good ones lately. Hope you guys got some of these. On Friday, SMCI, I gave out CVS yesterday, DoorDash. They've all been killing it. They have all been killing it. Now, all right, my spreadsheet still absolutely sucks. I mean, I don't know why I can't make a decent spreadsheet. But on the left hand side, I have longs, and on the right hand side, I have shorts. I haven't put in the trades for the past 2 weeks yet, but for this week, the short is a QQQ trade. It's still open, so it has a question mark there. The longs are SMCI, CVS, Dash, Lyft, and Trade Desk, which has earnings after the bell today. These other options, these other strategies have already have earnings, and those positions are closed with that amount of profit. So let's see kind of how it worked out. The best looking one was CVS. CVS on the three-legged loaded dice. CVS really killed it because the third leg went in the money. We have to go over here to expired or closed. Bullish loaded dice, CVS, $530 profit. This call right here, you bought for 44 cents and you closed it for $3.88. These two puts right here, you sold for $1.18 and you closed them for a penny. So that's a full profit too. You made a 99% profit on this leg and 782% profit on this leg. Unfortunately, this leg was your hedge. This leg lost. You bought two puts for 25 cents a piece and lost all the money on that. But these work as a teammate. Between the three of them, it was up $520. So that was the CVS was a great trade. So was Lyft. Didn't work out so well. It was only up $36, but we took it off. And then DoorDash was up $267. It worked out really good also, or really well also. So then as far as still active, we have a bullish loaded dice and Trade Desk, which I'm going to show you in a second. And I just have some other trades. We were just paper trading just to see it. Somebody in my Discord was bearish on Shopify. So I showed a neutral to bearish trade in there, neutral to bearish Shopify. These are just some alternatives down here. But as far as the official ones go, I'm just trying to do a long short. Jackson. No. I'm just trying to do a long short strategy. So the long legs are in the left column. The short legs are over here in the right column. And I do it 1 week at a time. For the long, Jackson, please put it down. For the long legs, I use earnings stocks, but it could be any stock. I just pick something I'm long somewhere, and then I'm short somewhere, and I try to make money on the difference. So far this week, it's going really well. All right, so let's look at this Trade Desk trade. This is the best one of the week as far as buffer goes. Look at this. It's a 9.7% buffer. That's a huge buffer. $178 credit. I did it in real life and got a bigger credit than that. Somebody in my Discord did it in real life and got a $200 credit. But this is an interesting trade to be able to get this kind of credit and to have this kind of buffer. All you want is for after they announce earnings this afternoon for just not to drop, the stock price not to drop more than 9%. That's all you're asking for. If by some reason it happens to go up, if they happen to do well on earnings, like CVS did, well, who knows? Who knows? And if they don't do well on earnings, or you're going to lose money. But, that's the way it goes. It's a bullish, you're making a bullish play on the stock. So if the stock price goes down, you're going to lose money. The good thing is the stock price has to go down more than 9.7% before you start losing money. So these are great trades. I'll share this one in Discord in case anyone wants to follow along. I really hope you guys are following along on CVS and DoorDash, SMCI. I've been killing it with these lately. I'll give you some bonus content. If you want, let's look. We can look at another trade real fast. Maybe see if there's something in the morning that has earnings that's an interesting stock. All right. In the morning, we have Deere, Datadog, Sony, Crocs, Yeti. That's an Austin company. Maybe not anymore. I think private equity's probably bought it out, but it originally was an Austin company. Reddit, Cisco. I already looked at Cisco. I couldn't really get a good one on in their trade desk. Maybe let's look at this AppLovin. I just want to give you guys some bonus content, and I'll show you guys how to do one of these trades. We'll see if it's possible in AppLovin. We can tell by looking at it. We can tell by how much green to red, the ratio of green to red is. Even if we don't like fractions, I can tell you this one's a good one just visually. This one's a great one. This one's going to be like Trade Desk, I have a feeling. Yeah, this one's going to be like Trade Desk, I have a feeling. Now, this one's expensive, but 1,300, 400. Boy, this one is going to be a nice one. Maybe something like that. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now we're going to add another call in case they blow out earnings. Okay, so now let me mess with the strikes a little bit. Huge buffer. Look at this 12% buffer. Percent buffer. All right. Well, there we have it. 9% buffer. That's a good compromise. I think that's about as good as we're going to do. $180. That's not enough income, though. I don't like that amount of credit. That's not enough credit. Something like that. All right. Now, this is a big trade. If you miss on this one, you know, it's $4,000. So now you have to miss pretty bad. It has to drop more than 9% before you start losing. But if it does happen to drop 15%, it's going to be a $4,000 loss. Now, you do get a $500 credit for putting it on. You have unlimited chance of upside. I've done well this week already. I'm not going to do this one in real life. I've done CVS and Dash in real life, and they're both taking them off profitable. I don't want to do this one and have this one mess up the other two. So I put on Trade Desk in real life. So I have Trade Desk, CVS, and Dash on. This one's just a little bit too expensive for me. I don't want to lose $4,000 on one trade. I'm more comfortable losing about $2,000 at a max. This Trade Desk one is more my size. So, but I wanted to show you guys that other one in case some people have bigger accounts or you want to take a bigger shot, or let's say you know something about AppLovin or something. There's your trade right there. $540 credit. You just don't want it to drop more than 8.6%. All right, guys, I'm going to get out of here. You guys have a great day.